Jump right into today's video of how I do my nails at home. So I'm starting off with my nails already prepped. They just have some base gel on my nails that's cured. I have a video of how I do my gel manicures and you can see it in the cards. So I'm starting off with Polygel. That was Model 1s in the color Apricot. And I have these little nail stands and these full cover gel nails. So you want to start off with putting your Polygel, a good amount, not too much, not too little, into your full cover nail on the back side. And I'm taking this Polygel brush with rubbing alcohol and I am just patting it on through. So you want to make sure that the entire nail is covered with Polygel. And like I say, you don't want to put too much where it's slipping out, and you don't want to put too less where, there's nothing to adhere to your nail. So I am going in and making sure that the entire nail is covered with the Polygel. Makes me feel so nice. You're my bottle and I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent I like to. Once I'm done patting in the Polygel, I'm going to then adhere it to my nail. So what you want to do is just take the full cover nail and you want to make sure that it's like a suction on your natural nail, and you'll feel it. You'll know that it's on, and you don't want to squeeze it too tight because some extra Polygel may come out. That's why I say you have to have a good amount, not too much and not too little. So I did have a little bit come out by the cuticle, so I'm using the alcohol and the brush and I'm just cleaning it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick my nail under the lamp for about 60 seconds. And I want to do this with every single nail. So I don't just go ahead and do them all and then put them under the lamp. I actually do each nail and then cure in between. So I'm just going to show you how I do it again. It's super easy and I'm so happy that I found this method. It's actually from Femi Beauty. She's a nail YouTuber. She discovered this method. It's also called the Lazy Girl method, and it's so easy. I've been doing my nails for about a few months now, and it's just so fun. Like, it's become a hobby. I love doing it. It's super easy. So if you're feeling adventurous, save some money, girl, and do your own nails. It's super easy. Like I said, you'll get the hang of it after like the first try. And sometimes when I have too much excess, I kind of just flick the brush upwards, kind of like how you do acrylic a little bit, just to kind of cover that cuticle. And you also want to make sure that the back side of the nail is flat. You don't want to have like a lot of buildup under the nail. So what I'm doing now is just kind of holding that nail in place and cleaning up the back side.
Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far.
Voila, we have nails. So you could leave your nails like this and just put like a top coat on. It's perfectly up to you. But what I do like to do is put the top coat underneath of the nails, because it's just basically exposed Polygel under there, and you want to just make sure that it's kind of smooth. So I do go ahead and put top coat and cure it.
You're the one that desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my bottle and I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent.
Once the top coat underneath is cured, I do go in and file to my desired shape. And this set, I want it like super square. So I do go ahead and file it. Next, I am going in with some polish. This is gel polish because I'm doing like a French nail. So you want to start with the center, do like a line in the center of the nail, and then follow it with some other lines. It's not that easy, but it's not that hard either. So just like follow what I'm doing. So after I have those lines, I do go ahead and take the polish, the actual brush from the polish, and then I just kind of follow what I outlined basically. And then you can go ahead and like clean up if you have any like mishaps or mess ups. So for cleaning up, I do use acetone, and I use like a small flat brush, and I just go ahead and clean up that smile line to however I originally wanted it to be. Like I said, this is not that easy, but it's not hard either. I mean, everything comes with practice. So this is probably like my second time doing a French like this, and I'm getting the hang of it. It's definitely easier on your dominant hand. So yeah, just watch. And now I have some Frenchies. So I do go in with 2 coats on these, and I did cure it for a good 60, maybe even 90 seconds. So what I just showed was blooming gel, and it's like a base coat, but it runs, so it kind of gives you that design that I'm going for, the croc design. So you do want to do like a medium layer of this on your French tip. Not too heavy, not too light, because it will run. Like I said, it is very, very runny. So I'm taking a dotter tool, and I'm using the gel polish that I was using before, and this is super easy. So you just take it and you kind of create like a little dash. That's all. That's it. That's all. It's so easy. So I did 3 of them, and then for the sides you just dot. So dot in between those dashes, and the blooming gel is going to do its thing. So it basically like spreads out that polish, and it gives you that crocodile design. And I'm sorry for the glare with the light, so I hope that you can see it, but it's definitely spreading and it's looking like a croc. So this was super fun and super easy. Once I have it to my desired look, I do go ahead and cure it so that it won't move around anymore. So I did cure it for 30 seconds. And as I go through each nail, I do cure in between, because if you leave the blooming gel for too long, it'll just spread all over the place. So I do go ahead and cure in between each nail. And right here, I'm just doing the same thing. Once I'm done with the design, I did do some matte and some shiny. So this is what I'm doing right now, just painting over the design with the top coat. And I did do a big cure for like a minute and a half. And there we go. I love this look. It was so cute and so fun. It's like my last hurrah of summer nails, because I feel like summer is on its way out. But I wanted to do something bright one last time, and I love how these came out. So I am not done though. I wanted to kind of do some more extra, and I found these Vivienne Westwood nail decals or nail jewels on Amazon, and they were so cute. I was like, I have to add these. So I'm using some rhinestone gel or rhinestone glue, and I'm putting a good amount on my ring finger, and then I am going to stick on this Vivienne Westwood design. It's so cute. And once I stick that to wherever I want to have it, I do go ahead and cure. And I love this rhinestone glue because it makes everything stay put for like ever, literally for weeks. And it cures, it dries as it cures. So I just love this, and I love how they came out. And for the finishing touches, you have to add some cuticle oil. You don't want them things looking crusty with your new set. So I did go ahead and throw some cuticle oil on, and now I'm really officially done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I hope that you do try to do your own nails and save you some coin. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. And thank you again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.